Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our lecturer and fellow scholars. My name is Abdullah Haris bin Muhammad Kamal Hassan Wong, and today I will be presenting about a particularly unique type of sponge called Venus flower basket sponge. Venus flower basket sponge can only be found in the deep ocean, whereas the ocean current and the pressure is relatively high. As you can see on the screen, the structure of this Venus flower basket is what allows them to withstand these two stress points. For the taxonomy, the scientific name of Venus flower basket is Euplectella aspergillum. Next, for the description, Venus flower basket is a thin-walled cylindrical vase-shaped tube with a large central atrium. Its tissue contains glass-like structural particles called spicules that are made of silica. Venus flower basket usually grows up to 10 to 30 cm tall, and it can only be found in a small area of the sea nearby the Philippines Islands, Japan, and in other parts of the Western Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. For feeding, when we talk about sponge, it is always associated, the feeding behavior is always associated with filter feeding, whereas the bacteria and plankton around the area is filtered using ostium. And it has an opening facing upwards to allow the water to go through the system. Last but not least, the mimicry of the Venus flower basket. As I mentioned earlier, the Venus flower basket uniqueness lies on its ability to withstand these two pressure points, these two stress points, and its structure that allows durability. So, the mimicry of this particular sponge is mimics in the modern architecture. First, the 300 St. Mary Axe in London, or commonly known as the Gherkin, whereas the Gherkin building mimics the structure of the Venus flower basket, and it mimics the nutrient flow system into a ventilation system to reduce the need for air conditioning by half. Other than that, there is also a proposed solution for bridges that mimics these Venus flower baskets, and it proposed that when they use the Venus flower basket structure, the bridge will have more durability and can withstand for more years. This shows that the mimicry of this Venus flower basket is really useful in the architecture. This shows that Venus flower basket is very important in the architecture world. That's all from me. Thank you.